Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. I was supposed to film this yesterday, but I ended up not doing that because I could not get out of my couch. I was super anxious yesterday, and it was because somebody keeps calling me from a blocked number, and I do not take well when blocked numbers call me. And they were doing it too much, and I just started crying, stayed in my couch, and did not film yesterday. So I hope you guys don't mind that I filmed this today. Today's video is going to be on this month's Boxycharm, and this month's theme is boxy and chill. But there's one thing I wanted to get out of the way before I started unboxing this, and it's because I've seen a lot of people's videos and everybody keeps saying that the box seems a little bit smaller than usual. So I got my November box and compared the two, and honestly it's not smaller, it's no different. I just think that with boxy looks we are getting spoiled for the big size, and so this seems smaller because even when I got this in the mail I was like, this is tiny. But it's because we're so, like, after the month of the boxy looks, we feel so spoiled that we feel like our Boxycharm boxes should be bigger, but no, they have not changed in size. But now we're just gonna get into the unboxing and demonstration. So the first thing in my box is the Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask by Briogeo, and this retails for $16, and this is how it looks. Let's be real, your girl does not really take care of her hair, and I will probably not be using this because I probably should start taking care of my hair, but I think I'm gonna send this to my friend. As I was watching my friend's video, her name is Kira Lachelle, she was comparing the Ipsy Glam Plus box and Boxycharm this month, and they got the same product but way bigger. So if you have Ipsy Glam Plus, you probably got the better deal this month on this product if you like this product. The second thing in my box is the Ofra Long Lasting Lipstick in Havana Nights, and this retails for $20. Yes, I do love the Ofra Long Lasting lipsticks, but I think Boxycharm and I need to have a talk because this is the Ofra lipstick that I got this month. This is the Kat Von D lipstick that I got, I believe, a few months ago. And then this is the lipstick that I got the month before that. So literally they are all within the same color family. They look highly similar on my lips, and I don't know how I would go about telling Boxycharm to stop sending me the same color, even though like these are more purple and this is more red. And I do love it, but they all seem too similar to me. And I was like, why don't they send me a nude anymore? But I'm not going to complain because I do like Ofra Long Lasting lipsticks, and that's that. The third thing in my box is the Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3, and this retails for $36. And this is how it looks. I have something to say about Tarte eyeshadows. In the past, I have not liked them at all, but we're gonna try our best with this eyeshadow palette today. The next thing in my box is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack, and this retails for $24. Yes, I am excited for these, but I don't think we'll get the full effects with just 2 uses, and I get it, this is an introduction box, but I don't see myself purchasing sheet masks that are so expensive. But I do look forward to using these. And then the last thing in my box is the Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil, and this retails for $19. And this is how it looks. It's brown, and I don't wear brown eyeliner, so I'm gonna try using this on my brows today instead of my lower lash, instead of my waterline and tight line. Overall, my box came out to the retail value of $115, and we only paid $21. And again, it's a good deal, but I have a feeling that I might not like this box too much. So the first thing we're gonna use from the box is the Starlooks eyeliner, and I already did my brow on this side, but I'm just gonna try to use it as a brow pencil because I'm not putting brown on my waterline and tightline because I am a black eyeliner kind of human. But what I do like about this product is that it blends in with my eyebrows very nicely. It kind of looks like it could be my hair color. So this could be a win in that area. The only thing is that, you know, since it's not meant to be an eyebrow pencil, it does not have the spoolie. So of course I have to go in with a separate spoolie to finish up my brows. But overall, I'm not bothered by this product. I'm pretty sure it's not the worst thing that could be in this box. So we are back and our eyebrows are done. I'm not gonna lie, I do like it on my eyebrows. I'm not like, I'll put it on my waterline just for show, but I do not like brown in my waterline and tightline, but I do appreciate it on my brows. So that's how we're looking. Second thing that we're gonna do is go into the eyeshadow palette, and y'all should know by now, if you guys watch me, if you're new you probably don't know, is that I do my eyeshadow before I do my face. So we're just gonna, you know, spread that P. Louise eye base all over our eyelids as per usual. This eyeshadow palette is probably not meant to be a standalone eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna use it as a standalone just for the sake of the video. I'm gonna be going in with my Luxie tapered blending brush into the only matte shade, which is called Tiki, and blending that into my crease. This is as per Tarte on the card. It says the perfect crease shade, but we'll see about that. Okay, it is showing up a little bit, but it's pretty light. And then the second thing that I'm gonna do, since, you know, I'm only using this, is going into Malibu, which is this one right here, which is the darkest shade in this palette, and putting that above. Okay, and since we are only using this palette today, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease already because I feel like those are the darkest shades and those are the best shades to place on the outermost portions of my eye. So now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm not gonna lie, I do like how this is turning out, but in my opinion, I feel like Tarte, since it is a high-end brand, it could do better with like its pigmentation work. But we're gonna go into my crease with one of the shimmer shades, and I am going to choose this one right here called Compass, and I'm gonna be picking that up with my Luxie eye shading brush. So let's go into Compass and see how this picks it up. Okay, that's not bad. Again, I do not think that this should be a standalone eyeshadow palette. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video because I do not like using other eyeshadows when I have a palette from Boxycharm. I'm gonna try my finger a little bit with Compass. Okay. This palette does not excite me. I think I might put it up on Poshmark. But I do enjoy the eye look that I made with it, even though it's really simple. But I'm just gonna recreate this on my other side and put on my liner, my face, and we're gonna try out the lip product. Right, it's not so bad. Tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why. Got out of bed at all. Morning rain clouds in my window, but I can see it all. Even if I could, it'll all be great with your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad. So we're back, and don't think I forgot to do my inner corner. I'm not gonna do my lower lash line because I feel like this look doesn't need lower lash line business, but I'm going into Treasure with my Real Techniques shading brush and placing that on my inner corner. Okay, I do like this shade. It kind of reminds me of a shade in the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette right now. But yeah, that is the completed eye look. And I do like it, but overall I don't know, I'm about the palette. But now we're gonna go into the Ofra lipstick, and this is in Havana Nights. So that is Havana Nights on with no lip liner, and I do love it. I just wish that Boxycharm would send me, you know, different colors. But what made this box worth the money today was the, of course, lip, even though it's the same color I get every month, and the eyeliner, because I used it on my brows and I'm pretty obsessed with how it performed on my brows. I could definitely live without this palette. I know a lot of people love it, but I don't. And then the Briogeo hair product I'm gonna send to my friend, and then the Tatcha Lewis Luminous skin mask I'm gonna try out. I'm excited, but I don't like putting on masks before my makeup because I feel like when I put on masks, I shouldn't be putting on makeup afterwards, and that's just me. But I'm not trying that out today, and I do like how this look came out, not gonna lie. This palette kind of pleasantly surprised me in that way. But who knows if I'll just like grow an affinity to it, or, you know, just put it up on Poshmark. We'll see. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching and sticking through. And if you are the person who is harassing me, please stop. Bye bye.